going on, everyone? Welcome back to the channel. It's your boy again with another video. It has been a long time. Depending on when this vlog drops, it's been at least a couple of months since I last vlogged. As you guys know from the title of the video, yes, I am getting a new motorcycle. So today's another special video. So give you guys a whole backstory. I sold the Yamaha Z900 and I wanted to upgrade again. Usually how everyone does it is they go from like 300 to 400 to 700cc bike, and then they stick with the 600cc inline, or they go to 1000cc. That's not what I did. I basically went from a 400 Ninja 400 to a Yamaha Z900, so 700cc. Never went to a 600cc inline. I'm going straight to a 948cc inline 4 engine, and that's the engine that the bike has. I've been waiting for this bike for about 3-4 months now. So the dealership that we're going to is called Ronnie's Motorsports. They are in Guilderland, New York, and I think that is upstate near Albany. At least 2 hours. It's gonna take us at least 2 hours and 18 minutes to get there. And shout out to Ronnie's Motorsports for helping me as best they can. Before this vlog starts, make sure you like, comment, subscribe on the video. If you're new to the channel, appreciate you guys watching, and let's go get this new bike. Alright guys, so we are 3 minutes away from the dealership. We also were held back for about 15 to 20 minutes because we got pulled over for illegal tints. And so it was fun.
I just don't understand sometimes, but...
Also too, it's freaking snowing, bro. How does nature expect me to get this bike back home? I don't know. We'll see. Hoping that everything works out well. Pray that I get this bike home safely in one piece. Alright guys, we're coming up to the spot. I think that's right there. That little place. Ronnie's Motorsports. Woo. I'm more nervous for the ride back home than getting the bike. I've never ridden in the snow before. Let's go in. Okay. You guys, the bike. Sold. To who? To me. You guys sent pictures and videos and they didn't know justice. I was like, this bike looks supreme.
Yeah.
It's actually lighter than I expected.
Yeah, man, those bikes are super light.
This is more like, oh yeah, the pegs are nice and high.
Yo, you're on it, you're into it, you know? It fits.
Yeah. I'm so happy I got it. My fucking baby. So you're probably wondering why I'm not on the bike and driving at home. This is why. The weather is 18 degrees, bro. There are many experienced riders that were at that dealership, guys who have ridden for, three times the amount of years that I've been riding, and if they were ever to see this weather, they probably would not have ridden in it. So, I'd rather stay safe, just be sure that I can get the bike home safely in one piece rather than rush it. Tomorrow, I'll be getting the bike. I will continue the vlog to tomorrow in 3, 2, 1. Alright guys, day 2, first day we couldn't get the bike because it was snowing. Andre, as a true friend he is coming on this bird chick.
What's good, my people?
And it's crazy Evo, bro. I think this is the first time your Evo's ever made it to the channel, which is kind of cool.
Oh, you're right.
It's so loud, but the roads are a lot much better than yesterday. As you guys can tell. Yeah, should be good. So, stay tuned. All right, guys. So they just took out the bike from the dealership. Bro, this bike looks so good. This is a 2021 Z900, as you guys can see, Kawasaki. I only had one owner, and this is the colorway I really wanted with this bike. So. Oh my god. Only 1,620 miles on it. Not bad for 2021. Yeah, I gotta pee and I gotta get changed. So I'll see you guys on the bike. Alright, you guys. We are ready to go. Am I recording? Yes, I am. Everything's all set. I got my gloves on, my pants on. Let's do this. First startup. It's kind of warm already, so. Alright guys, so we had to stop by a quick gas station. My GoPro actually did not work in the cold. For some odd reason, it was like 35 degrees out. Like, you know how like when you ride a motorcycle, like basically minus is like 20 degrees or whatever when you ride a motorcycle, but my GoPro wasn't working. I couldn't get any footage of me driving it. Show you guys how it looks right now in the gas light. Sheesh. Bro, this bike, I just can't believe this bike is mine, bro. I just can't believe this bike is mine right now. Like after like 2 hours, the bike has been driving really good, so I'm really happy about that. So what's your review right now? Because you rode it, like my GoPro didn't work at all.
It's a very punchy bike. Like the low end torque seems to be pretty high. The bike is a very nice bike.
Just to show you guys how it sounds like, you know, when it goes on. Start. Yeah, I don't know. If you guys have Z900s, hit down in the comments below. Let me know if it's supposed to sound like that stock, because that sounds like a whining, right? You know what that means, right? I just need an exhaust, like ASAP. I need exhaust like ASAP. It sounds like a vacuum. Hopefully I'll get riding footage a little later today at night when I go back home. So, see you guys in a little bit. Alright you guys, what's up? So today's just been a very crazy day. Before I drive home and kind of give you guys a little rundown of like how the bike rides and everything, I do want to get rid of these mirrors, and this is literally the first mod I wanted to do immediately when I got the bike. So just take a simple wrench there. So yeah, and take these guys out. Literally just changes the bike already. And I do have new ones right now that I'll be showing you guys in a little bit. And I'm doing the same thing to the other side. Ow! Looks so aggressive now. Look at that. So much better. Now the mirrors I'm going with are fend rear. These are gonna be bar end mirrors. There we go. I'm not sure if I wanted it to like come up here like this or come down here like that. So we took off the we took off the stock mirrors. As you guys can see, it looks good. So all these pieces are here, but I'm not gonna be using any of this stuff. I actually have adapters into the bar ends that give it the proper space. So like I was thinking like either like that, no? I like it downward because I feel like it gives like more of like the clean look on the top. I'll put a link in the description down below on this adapter. This is actually meant for the Z900. So I'm gonna put some blue Loctite, tighten it up, and then put everything together. That shaft, nice and wet and lubed. See that? Nice and blue, nice and wet. So I just put the the bar end in there, so it's nice and tight. But this is what you want. Nice gap here so that won't get in the way of your grip, as well as just the mirror. I'm gonna adjust this, that's why it's loose, because I wanna make sure that if I turn fully, at a full lock, it won't hit the tank. So I'm gonna adjust that the way I want it to when I sit down. Watch this, look how clean this is. That's what you want. You don't want this throttle to stick. Perfect adapter, bro. Perfect adapter. Are you trying to get on a bike?
I was trying to for like a second.
Try.
I can't. My jeans, I don't have a lot of movement.
Go, try again.
I don't have movement.
This is the final product. If you guys see here, that's how it looks. Pretty sick, if you ask me. And also, if you guys can see here, I was really worried about wheel locking on the mirrors, just to make sure they don't hit the tank. Perfect, bro. Look at that space right here. Give you guys a final look with the lights on. That's how it looks right here. Looks so good. But yeah, I'll see you guys on the road. Alright guys, so everything's all done. As you guys can see, mirrors all set. Looking really clean now, without any of like the crazy antennas. Start. I have it in sport mode right now because I haven't driven in sport mode yet on the way back. I had it usually in rain mode the whole time. This bike needs an exhaust like ASAP, like now. my god, sport mode is insane, bro. Sport mode is crazy. Oh my god. Yeah, guys, this, oh man, this bike is so good. If you guys do get these mirrors, you do have to move your arm like that a little bit just to see. The power on the bike is very sensitive, like low torque. It's just that the power is like very like the power is consistent, you know, throughout the whole way, which is really good. Let's punch it. Oh god! Oh man! Oh! Oh! Oh god! I need an exhaust now, bro! I need an exhaust now! That's crazy. That is actually crazy. Wow, dude. This thing has power. It has power, people. Oh my god, do you guys feel that? I mean, you can't feel it obviously because you're in a camera, like you're watching, but like, jeez. Ready? Wow, bro. I can't, bro. This bike is crazy. Let's see. Alright, you guys, so that's gonna be pretty much it for today's video. I want to thank you guys for all the support always. You know, I haven't been posting a lot, but it's because I've been waiting for this thing to come home. If you guys are new to the channel, make sure you like, comment, subscribe on the channel. If you guys are already subscribers, I love you. Thank you guys for all the support. If anything, I will catch you guys on the next one.